Okay, so now we're gonna try to microwave some cinnamon rolls because I want to see what happens. But we're gonna do new microwave because we're gonna do the microwave because it's all pretty. I don't know. Which one do you think the dressing's on? Do you think it's down here or up here? I don't know. We will find out. Hopefully the microwave plate does not break, but we have to plug in the microwave first. Okay, B. We did it. Okay, so let's see. Go like this, and we're gonna go 5, 0, 0. Start. Where's start? Start. Oh my. See what happened? So I don't know what happened, but it freaking startled the shit out of me. Aww. That didn't work like I thought it was gonna work. I thought it was gonna do something different. I really hope it didn't break my plate though. So, where's that pokey thing? Okay, got it. Oh no, that's weird. I don't think that's strong enough. See it? So, you're not looking. He's not looking at me. Well, how the heck did... That's still on there. And then there's one right here. Right there. And then, oh shit, I know what it did. Oh, damn it, we did it the wrong way. It should have been the other way. I don't want to put that up there. Put that right there. Okay, so the lid came off of the thing, right? Can you see this? Do that way there. Okay, so we can see it now. Okay, so the lid popped off. And then this is the icing. Oh man, I heckin' wanted that. It's all icing stuff. Because that's like the little container, right? And then that's the lid to the container. Oh dang it. I was gonna eat it with the icing. I was gonna try it. The icing, that's the best part. Oh my god, get off my freaking thing. Ugh. It's kind of cinnamon rolly. Where's the thing at? I can't get the thing in there. It's kind of cinnamon rolly. It's really hot. And that part's burnt. I don't know. I wish I had the icing. Stupid thing. Then you put where the icing's at on these stupid things. Anyway, I'm gonna try to microwave some more shit. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.